and all the chartered accountants will agree that CA का कोई college होता है, तो CA training, who is doing CA training? Coaching institutes. And such a reputed profession, chartered accountant, all chartered accountants are trained by reputed coaching class owners, and they have contributed to India in such a big way. So same thing is possible in skill training for various sectors and various qualifications. So we can play a big role. That's what I personally feel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, audience. Sir, one more important question that I have in my mind is, am I audible? Yeah. My question is, suppose one of our members sitting here comes up with a good plan and he wants to get into a PPP. Then if he approaches the Maharashtra Coaching Owner Association, so in what way, what could be the actual path or the way where we could get into the PPE streamlining thing?
NEP, no.
No, no. My question is, as MCOA, right? Everyone is a member of MCOA.
Yes.
Somebody comes with a proper proposal and a proper strategy of skill design and wants to implement it under the guidance of MCOA or with the association and take it through. What could be the pathway?
So, as I understand that you are asking that if MCOA is in guiding position, and I'm also somewhere, connected CSR partner for MCOA, and if members wants to implement skill training institute, then few things: alignment with the Skill India mission, National Skill Development Corporation affiliation, then understanding the entire skill training alignment with the NEP 2020, and most important, as a professionals, we must understand that what are the pain areas in a traditional education system. Colleges चला रहे हैं, but उनके पास वैसे trainers नहीं हैं जो professionally they can provide training on a specific subjects of computer training, for example, or fashion designing, or it may be banking and finance. If you are providing those faculties, they are more than ready to take those faculties. That's one point. But same way can be for infrastructure, for technology, for mobilization of students to the programs. So colleges will give degrees, and you will be the outsource partner who will be actually providing training. So that can be the roadmap, and MCOA can very well create some SOPs, some documents, some mentorship programs for the members, and wherever you feel that I as an individual, as a member of Skill India Implementation Committee at the central government, if I can be helpful in any way, I will love to do that. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. That was a huge word of support, and I believe that everybody is enthusiastic, and I believe that everybody will look into developing certain form of skills into their institution. Sir, thank you so very much. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. So I believe after having financial skills being discussed, then skills being discussed, one of the most important thing for being coaching owners and evolution of coaching from blackboard to technical like infrastructures, like developing technical educational infrastructures. So to enlighten us on that aspect, I would request Shri Samir Vakharia ji, sir, if I can present my question to you. And now I feel a bit relieved. It doesn't feel like a lecture to me anymore. And thank you so much, sir. Let me be very straight with technical questions to Shri Vakharia ji. Sir, how is technology affecting the education system today?
I stood up in respect of both these legends, as a panel discussion,
Thank
we
you.
need to
Thank you
sit,
so much,
but then
sir.
As a respect to both of them, I'm here, I'm standing and giving my answer. Before I answer, सर आपको सुन के लगा कि फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी थोड़ा बाकी है, थोड़ा ट्रेन करना होगा. If you can repeat your question.
So my question is, how is technology affecting the education system?
See, as far as technology is concerned, it's not affecting an education system. It has already refined a
Volume.
lot of education systems. Hello? Am I audible? It's not affecting it, it is redefining it. It is restructuring the entire education system at this point of time. Education was earlier limited. When it comes to teaching, it had a limitation by time, place, space, and the availability of a teacher. Today, tech have overcome all this barrier, and we can teach from anywhere in the world, and a student can be a recipient from anywhere in the world. So actually, technology have already started redefining the entire education process in the country. Yes, I understand few things. When it comes to teachers, we need to adapt it as fast as we can. That's important. टेक्नोलॉजी कहाँ हेल्प करती है उसे देखना ज़रूरी है. तो टेक्नोलॉजी अगर आप बात करते हैं तो पर्सनलाइज्ड ट्रेनिंग, एनालिसिस, डेटा ड्रिवन इनपुट्स of a teacher, of a student can help a teacher to guide a student in a particular fashion to overcome all the hurdles and get better results. Every student has a different path of learning. And to understand the different path of learning, all this technology will help a teacher to guide them better and give them better results. So technology, yes, is very important in today's world, that we all get streamlined, understand, adapt, and execute technology in the right format so that the coaching and the teaching in the classroom much better than what it was earlier. It is more specific rather than in general. So for example, पहले हम एक अंदाज़ा लगाते थे कि ये स्टूडेंट कमज़ोर क्यों है, इसकी गलतियाँ कहाँ हैं. तो हम एज अ टीचर अपने एक्सपीरियंस से अंदाज़ा लगाते थे. अब हम स्पेसिफिक हो सकते हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास उसके अटेंडेंस का रिकॉर्ड है, हमारे पास उसके टेस्ट परफॉर्मेंस का रिकॉर्ड है, हमारे पास और भी एनालिसिस है जिससे हम स्पेसिफिक हो सकते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ वर्किंग एंड व्हाट नीड्स हेल्प. तो वेयर अ स्टूडेंट नीड हेल्प, हम बहुत स्पेसिफिक हो सकते हैं, गाइड कर सकते हैं, एंकरेज कर सकते हैं, पुश कर सकते हैं. So that is where technology is very important and is affecting hugely the entire education sector.
Sir, thank you so much. That was a very interesting answer, and my question starts with the same thing. Sir, you know, as we all are educationists, we all are into the field of education, we all are creative. There are many educationists sitting here who have a lot of ideas and they want to, or they're willing to, or they might have started implementing it. I would like you to guide us on certain factors, because it's been seen that educational technical startups, they rise at a very short span of time. But when it is to sustain for a longer time, the numbers are less where the startups would have sustained. So I would request you to enlighten us on this aspect, so as if anyone over here is onto the track, will be guided.
A very interesting question. मैं थोड़ा सा पीछे जाता हूं. कोविड, जहां से ये एडटेक स्टार्टअप्स की शुरुआत हुई, और मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस ये कहता है, नथिंग अगेंस्ट एनीवन, बट 1760 स्टार्टअप्स आए और 1700 चले गए. तो इसे कहते हैं आया राम गया राम. इसका रीजन क्या है, वो क्वेश्चन है. इसका रीजन ये है कि अगर आप फंड्स पे फोकस हो और फंक्शनिंग पे फोकस नहीं हो तो प्रॉब्लम है। अगर आप वैल्यूएशन पे ध्यान दे रहे हो और वैल्यू क्रिएट नहीं कर रहे हो इंस्टीट्यूट्स के लिए तो प्रॉब्लम है। अगर आप उस मॉडल पे हो जहां पे डिस्काउंट से आपके नंबर्स बढ़ रहे हैं, तो जिस दिन डिस्काउंट्स और फ्रीबीज बंद होते हैं कंपनीज भी बंद होती है, क्योंकि उनका एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट ऑल टाइम एक्विजिशन मतलब उनका एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट ऑल टाइम कंज्यूमर वैल्यूएशन से बढ़ जाता है। तो कंज्यूमर उनको जो वैल्यू देने वाला है, लाइफ टाइम वैल्यू देने वाला है, उससे एक्विजिशन कॉस्ट बढ़ गया तो सस्टेन नहीं हो पाएगा। हम सबका प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम ये नहीं समझ पाते कि सस्ता रोए 100 बार, महंगा रोए एक बार। जिस दिन हमारी इंडस्ट्री से समझती है तो हमें पता है पिकअप क्या करना है। तो हमें ये भी देखना है कि टेक्नोलॉजी सस्टेन करनी चाहिए और प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करनी चाहिए, ना कि फैंसी फीचर्स को हाईलाइट या शोकेस करनी चाहिए। तो कई बार ऐसा होता है कि कई सारी कंपनीज हमें फैंसी फीचर्स हाईलाइट करती है जो सस्टेनेबल नहीं है या लॉन्ग रन में इफेक्टिव नहीं है, पर यस फैसिनेटिंग है, एडमिशंस मिलने के चांसेस उससे बढ़ते हैं, तो हम बच्चों को दिखाने के लिए, पेरेंट्स को मोहित करने के लिए उसे अडेप्ट करने की कोशिश करते हैं और यहीं पे हमारा डाउनफॉल शुरू होता है। तो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंपनी बिफोर वी टेक अप द कंपनी। और स्टार्टअप में, एजुकेशन में यस बहुत सारी चीज इंडिया में करने जैसी है, इसीलिए इतने स्टार्टअप्स आते हैं, बट यस वी नी ऑल्सो नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड